You might have probably heard about the Mi Sound or Miui Dolby, and if you're a user of Redmi Note 10 Pro, Pro Max, or if you're a user of Mi 11X, or if you're a user of any other Xiaomi device which includes the Miui Dolby by default, you already know this. But if you want to install a custom ROM, if you're using Evolution XOS, if you're using any other custom ROM which is actually AOSP based, pixel based, you don't have these kind of things like Miui Sound or Miui Dolby by default. But with the help of this Magisk module, you'll be able to get this thing by default on your device. How you can get that, I'm going to talk about in this video, so stay tuned. By the way, this should also work with the devices which by default does not support the Dolby. For example, in my case, I tried that in Redmi Note 8 also, which is not actually supported with MIUI Dolby, but after installation of this module, I was able to find out that option. So yes, you can go and give it a try. If it is working for you, it's good. If it is not, you can simply ignore this, you can simply uninstall this. It's not a big deal, as it is a Magisk module. So make sure your device is rooted, make sure you have the latest Magisk version installed. You even have the Mi Sound Assistant, which is actually looking quite good, and if you are a fan of these kind of things, you don't need to go anywhere else. Things are already present. I'm talking about this Magisk module. By the way, make sure you're using the latest Magisk version, as we always say. If you're using the latest version, it's good. If you're using any other version, the older version, etc., I'm not sure if it will work for you or not. And if you're having any kind of bugs, if you encounter any kind of bugs by using any other version, don't report. If I move on to the module section, these are the modules which I was talking about: Mi Sound and Dolby Atmos, Redmi, etc., and MIUI Core. These two Magisk modules need to install to get this option. So yes, how you can install this thing? Well, it's quite easy and quite simple, but still, let me show you. Simply move on to the Magisk homepage, and here you have the option to find out the modules option. And if I move on to the module section, click on install from storage. You have these two modules, and both of the modules link available in the description. Firstly, you need to install MIUI Core. Make sure to install MIUI Core first, and after that install the MIUI Sound module. Instead of that, if you use any other one, maybe if you use the MIUI Sound first and then MIUI Core, you might face any kind of issues for you. But okay, keep this thing in your mind. This is all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Until then, goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through